What's up, guys? Welcome to Top 5 Niches of the Week, episode 173 on Labor Day weekend. Thank you for spending some time with me today. I've got 5 print-on-demand niches that you can target right now to increase your print-on-demand sales. Let's get right to it. Let's kick things off with an Amazon merch sales update. So in the last 7 days, I made 399 sales, 270 came on the US market, and that made me $1,052 of profit. By the way, I post daily sales updates to my Instagram. It's linked in the description, and I posted my entire month of August stats, so go check that out. Here are the top 10 best-selling shirts on Amazon merch. And when I say shirts, it actually doesn't filter out by product type, so it could be any product, but they are all standard t-shirts right now. You can see not a lot has changed since last week. A lot of Donald Trump shirts, Trump 2024, etc. All right, niche number 1 this week. Actually, before we get to niche number 1, I wanted to shout out Custom Cat. Marielle has been working on starting a brand inside of a single niche, and Custom Cat sent her some really nice, high quality, Digisoft printed sweatshirts that you see here. I think Digisoft quality in terms of the print quality is unmatched. It is not your typical DTG, so I wanted to shout them out and thank them for sending these. I will link to them in the description in case you want to check them out. Also, I wanted to shout out Philip Anders, friend of the channel, and Alec, friend of the channel, for helping me do something I desperately needed to do, which is upgrade my crappy webcam right there, which is a 4K webcam. It wasn't cheap, to my nicer DSLR camera that I had the whole time. I just never set up as a webcam, but it is much nicer. Maybe you noticed the difference in quality. So shout out to them for helping me. Niche number 1 this week is Trump. All right, Trump, as you probably could have guessed this, look at the average BSR of the top 10. Absolutely smashing it. The average BSR is probably around, 10,000, 11,000. It is that means these top 10 are all selling many times a day, and that number 1 bestseller with the 5,000 BSR is probably selling, if I had to guess, 50 times a day. So really crazy. And I did make a video last week talking about how Amazon merch sometimes flip-flops on what's allowed, what's not allowed. No talking head on YouTube can give you a definitive answer about what is allowed unless they work for Amazon merch, which I do not. So make sure, I have a video linked in the description called Is This Niche Safe? I would recommend watching that if you want to submit new products to the Donald Trump niche, since we've seen merch kind of flip-flop on their policy here. Niche number 2 this week is Dot Day. Dot Day is coming up September 15th. We've seen this generate a lot of sales in the past. However, they tend to come very quickly and then end very quickly. We've seen that in the past as well. So given that we are, probably a week away from peak sales, it's not a bad time to be uploading these, but the Trump stuff is definitely selling better. Also, me and Marielle are going to go to this nice little farm in Maryland today. So I'm going to pick up the pace because I need to render this video and post it before we leave. So let's pick up the pace. Niche number 3 this week is 9/11. So there are 9/11 shirts already selling well. The number 1 bestseller there, 27,000 BSR. Making quite a few sales. Just always validate your keywords. I did check that there were new 9/11 shirts being posted and indexed in 2023. There were, so theoretically you should be safe, but I really only looked at 911. I didn't look at all the various keywords associated with this niche. So definitely, if you decide to post and sell in this niche, validate your keywords to the best of your ability. Watch my video linked in the description. Is this niche safe? Niche number 4 this week. Before we get to niche number 4, check out my free print-on-demand mini course linked in the description. Sorry that my email provider was not sending it out automatically like they were supposed to, but we did get that fixed recently. And check out my print-on-demand Facebook group, which is linked in the description as well. I hope you will join. I'd love to have you. Niche number 4. Now, these are kind of niche number 4 and 5 are a little bit smaller niches that I've never seen. I don't understand the context for, so you may need to research them, make sure it's okay. In terms of BSR, they're not crazy good, but they're low enough. Like it's high, the high end is high enough that I'm willing to suggest it on top 5 niches of the week. But the average BSR of the top 10 isn't so high that this is on everybody's radar. So niche number 4 is, I heard Bruce might show up. Simple text only design. No, I don't understand why it's selling well. Niche number 5, my girlfriend will kill you. All right. So 2 simple text only designs for niche number 4 and 5. Check them out. Do a little research before you post. Make sure it's not like a movie or a song title or something like that. But I think there's some sales to be made here. All right, let's wrap up with emerging trends. These are shirts that are outperforming their 30-day average BSR significantly. You can see a lot of the Trump stuff. In September, we wear gold for childhood cancer awareness. We got some Dot Day, etc. Awesome since September 1983, so some birthday shirts. All right, the archive. Here are shirts that were selling well 11 months ago, which could be indicative of shirts that are going to sell well or niches that are going to sell well 1 month from now. Got some Halloween, a lot of Halloween. Basically, yeah, Halloween, and then yeah, basically Halloween, I would say. Just kind of evergreens, it looks like, beyond that. All right, here are designs removed in the last 2 weeks, either by Amazon or deleted by the seller. And let's wrap up, guys, by plugging my full print-on-demand course. Check it out if you want to learn exactly how I make 6-figure print-on-demand profits since 2019 every single year. You can copy my exact approach to start, scale, and automate your business. And consider joining my private community where I will literally give you free Etsy listings valued at more than what it costs to join for a month. And there's just a ton of good resources, multiple live streams a week, great guests, etc. That's also linked in the description. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like, please subscribe, and enjoy the rest of your weekend. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video.